Yeah, what's poppin', y'all boys? Say it, babe.
Yeah.
Let's say what's poppin', y'all boys.
Popping y'all boys.
Today, it's gonna be a different type of video. I'm not doing the install. She's doing the install.
It's like a little something, but it's a something.
It's a little something, but it's a something. That's what counts. So tell them what it is, babe. This is your video.
Window visors.
But what type of window visors? What type of window visors?
I don't know.
What car is it for?
This is window visors for a 2017 Jetta TSI.
Ooh.
1.4.
1.4.
It's a little baby turbo, but it's
No, just boost seasons in, so you can do what you want.
Let me show you what's going on.
Alright guys, so we're gonna install some, she's gonna install some window visors. Can you guys even see me? Come on this side, I'm black. She's gonna install some window visors, and that's pretty much gonna be the video. So let's get the unboxing started. Let's get it. Yeah. Alright, so now find a razor blade because I don't know where it's at. Find something sharp to open the box.
I can use my keys or my nail.
Smart one. Unbox that box, girl. I'm gonna make this a porno scene. Dun, 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 dun. What the hell was that? Hurry up!
It's hard. It's tight. Whoa.
What's in the box?
I'm about to.
No, don't bite it now.
Let me get my keys.
Get your keys.
Oh wait, I can pull the tape like this.
She's gonna take a while to do this, so we'll be back when the box is open. All right, babe, explain.
All right, so right here it's labeled for you pretty much. So you
What does it
see,
say?
this is the front, right? So it goes on that side.
Oh, snap, you know how left from the right.
This is the front left, so it goes on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, this one says the same thing. Well, this is the left and this is the right. It's for the back. So left, right. Okay. Now let's get this show on the road, baby boy.
All right, babe. So open them things.
I don't want to do it by myself.
This is your mod.
I know, but it's just a little. It's not for real.
Go ahead, open them, babe. Ooh, you feel that breeze between your knees?
Feel it between the cheeks.
The booty cheek. All right,
I'm
so
real nervous with this, so.
don't peel it off yet,
Wait,
babe.
let me see that. What was that? That was right.
You can't put them on yet, babe.
I want to see.
Ooh. Ooh, I see you, girl. Ooh. So, anybody who has a Jetta of her year or Mark 6, is it Mark 6?
MK6.
MK6. I don't know what that stands for. Model 6? Can't stand for model. What is that?
Icy.
If you guys understand what MK stands for, don't say like Michael Kors or something. Like, what does MK stand for cars? Is it Mark? I know it's not model because it's MK and I'm black. You guys can't see me. So if you guys know, please leave in the comments because I really don't know. Alright guys, so first thing you guys want to do is clean your window. So what you got to do, babe?
You just gotta clean it down, you know.
Wipe that bad boy down.
Put it down a little bit.
Wipe that thing down. And if you guys have heat, you guys can heat up the 3M. The 3M? 3M, yeah. You guys can heat up the 3M tape on the back of it. And it will help it stick more. But I don't know.
It's dirty.
Yeah, yours is dirty. Look at that.
You just washed my car though.
Still. But yeah. That's all you guys have to do next. So just clean off your window.
Clean up your window. It's too wet now. That thing dries quick.
We be back when we got all 4 on, you feel me? Hey, where you at, girl? You get in the shop, man. We'll be back when we got all 4 on, you feel me? Yeah.
It's gone. Oh, it's on. Never mind.
Go, go.
No, I don't want to do no more.
Go.
This is 1. So, it wasn't that hard. I just gotta clean it off.
How you feel?
I feel like I'm fast, but it's not. It has nothing to do with that, but I feel fast.
It looks nice.
Thank you.
You just gotta get the other three on.
And then we'll be bike.
So after we get the other three on, I'm gonna show you guys how the car looks after. And from right now, looking at it, it looks pretty nice. So I think she's gonna like it a lot.
I like it already. I could just keep that one and just ride through it.
Go.
What if he comes back? Alright guys, so it's done. So follow me. Look at this side. And then look at this one. So Sean said that in the heat tomorrow, right?
Yeah, and tomorrow.
It's gonna like sink in. But I pressed it down as much as I could.
Just don't drive like you're a maniac going 105 on the
Can't
35.
that. So, I mean, come on, let's go this side.
I'm gonna even go 135.
So I did this one. That's why it looks so good. And Sean did that one. That's why it looks ugly. But I like it. My first little something something.
Your first little install.
Yeah.
Lady driven.
First little something. I like it. It's cute. I can't wait to like, you know, do some stuff.
Like what? Tint your tail lights?
I'm gonna tint my tail like a little darker.
Well, I'm gonna tint it because you can't tint.
Well, I'm gonna be there. A little darker. I'm gonna take off the Jetta sign and leave the TSI. I'm gonna. Come on, follow me. Follow me. Wash my legs. And then I'm gonna, you know, make this wrap this in carbon fiber.
I'm gonna wrap it in carbon fiber.
Sean wants to do that one. And, you know, I'm gonna get like a tag. You know.
We're gonna black out her grill. So this is gonna be black.
Yeah.
All the chrome. It's gonna be a chrome delete, a big chrome delete on this car.
You know, so a little something to a big something. You know, so slight work, slight work.
Slight thing.
This
So.
way. The sun is this way.
Ooh, we look good. But alright, you guys, that's it for the video. If you guys like the video, please drop that like.
Thumbs up.
Alright, go ahead, finish.
Thumbs up, subscribe. More videos coming soon.
More Jetta videos.
Yeah.
And I got a Civic video on that. Made my arm point at the box. Wait, this way. Wait. For the pressure washer, and then, you know, because my Civic's dirty. So that's gonna be the next video coming out. So if you guys, you know, enjoy the video, drop that like, subscribe, comment, and that's it. Your boy's out.
Wait. I'm gonna put the link of which one I got, just in case, you know, anybody wants.
Yeah.